gonna ski jord by side without a horse.
Yeah, and we are
Gonna tube.
embracing the elements.
Yes. Very cold.
We got a fire.
It's not very warm.
Not
Oh,
yet.
you're look how far away you are from it.
I think we might have a little bit of frostbite. We just did the
I'm a little cold, guys. We were the test dummies, and I don't know why we offered.
Alright guys, we just came up here to get ready to go skiing. We're gonna try to go ski jording behind the side-by-side. So, yeah. I think this is probably a really bad idea, but we'll try. All right, guys, we made a jump for the skis. Get them up there.
I'm the first one.
Yeah, I'm gonna send her first to be a test dummy.
Oh.
I'm gonna send her first to be a test dummy. And yeah, he's helping us build a jump.
Oh, we should probably clear this out too.
Oh yeah, they're coming around. Oh my gosh, there's so much snow.
Yeah.
So much. Like
No.
over 20 inches of snow. This is insane.